Good morning, this is Teresa. This is Wellness Wednesday video. I had intended on doing a video Monday. I had it done, but I looked back on it and it didn't. It was blurred and kind of shaky. So I will, next time I do, it was a recipe, next time I do it, I will redo it again. So, but on to this week's Wellness Wednesday. I thought about doing these on Friday, but I want to continue to do them on Wednesdays so I can stay on track with what I'm doing. In the way of food, I did most days. Most days I did okay. I'm looking back at my notes here. Sunday I went to my mom's and she had some leftover things that had pasta, which I didn't go overboard on them. I think I had about a cup of chicken and dumplings and a cup of macaroni and cheese. Not bad. However, I did not have lunch for that day because we had a late breakfast and we left a little bit later than we normally. We had other things going on besides just going to my mom's. The only other thing was last Wednesday I had potatoes, which was not on. That was on the 31st. So that was okay. Sunday really was the Sunday and Monday were the only 2 days that I kind of strayed from the 17-day diet. But it wasn't bad. It was still under 1,800 calories. In the way of exercise, I got my 6,000 steps plus some in each day. And then I started, Monday I started, or actually Friday I started doing some what I call body weight strength exercises. As of right now, I don't use the dumbbell things. I think it will be a little harder for me to do those. I tried picking up my son and husband's 15-pound dumbbell, one of them, and I had a hard time getting it up over my shoulders to do a what's called a chest press. I know from that I won't be able to do it with the 15-pound. We need to find our 2 and 3-pound dumbbells, and right now I have no clue where they're at. Overall, I'm feeling pretty good. I think over the past week I've only had one nap. I've not been that tired except for that one day. Um, and my um, energy level has come up a little bit as well. Clothes are starting to fit better. I am almost into the next size down for my pants. I can get them on, but they're still a little tight. So I like that. My weigh-in for this morning was 279.1. Over the past 2 weeks it's been up and down, but since last weigh-in, I think it was down like 0.4, point, 0.3 0.3 pound, whatever that is. So it is a loss, but a small one. The plan for next week is I'm still tracking everything. I've got several things that I track, and I'm continuing on with the strength exercises through the week. I don't do them on the weekend. And continuing on with the 17-day diet as closely as I can. The plan is the 17 diet within 1,800 calories. So that's pretty much it for my update. I have a picture at the end of this clip here, and then until next week, I will see you then. And I will try to get another recipe out next Monday, and I will see if I can get start a series either on the George syndrome that I have and my son has, or start a series on my studies of how the body works, going by the metabolic comprehensive metabolic panel that you get at your doctor's annual physical. I've done a lot of research on that and figured some things out from there. So until next time, I will see you then. Bye.